Hello, collective. Let's tap into your energy and find out what's going on. Remember, only take what resonates, leave the rest. This is a timeless collective reading. My glasses are... So only take what resonates, and whenever this message finds you, it should be applicable, right, into your life. Don't force anything, and I appreciate your likes, your shares, your subscribes, your donations. If you want more, if you care to donate, you can check out the description box. And if you're interested in my services, you may find information on how to travel to my website for services. Right now, I'm offering an hour-long reading plus chart reading and calculation of your numerology for only $66. You can book me. We can meet up via Zoom or over the phone. FaceTime works just fine too. All right, I hope you're all doing well. Remember to like this, put your energy into this reading so it increases the accuracy of the messages. And once again, don't force anything. We got Two of Swords and Judgment. Peace of mind, and this is the planet Pluto. Two of Swords is also some of you or your karmics, whoever you're thinking of, might be in a mental freeze, I hear. You're kind of stuck. But if you're in the upright, Two of Swords is often the energy of blocking out any of your karmic's energy that they're thinking about and sending. And with the Judgment card that came out, we got the Sun. This is Leo energy, major arcana, and it's all about ego. Queen of Cups. There could be a Queen of Cups in your energy, or this could be you. Oftentimes when we are dealing with our karmic energies and people in our lives, it's a mirroring relationship. So here's you in the upright, Queen of Cups, Scorpio, Cancer, or Pisces. Feminine energy, very intuitive, very nurturing, loving, caring. But the reverse of that would be somebody who is all up in their feels, well, with the ego card as well. This is about, I'm picking up a feminine energy who is very confused and very confused about going in. Their ego is a mess right now, Spirit is saying. All right, first card out. Let's find out what's going on more specifically. There we go. Three of Wands, Aries energy. This is somebody, and it's you, collective, who have been putting in the work and waiting for your ships to come in. Right now, everybody's under the effects of the Gemini full moon, which is set to go tomorrow, officially. But there is a 3-day period before and after this full moon, which is a wolf moon. So we're getting a lot of downloads. I've noticed, and Gemini is ruled by Mercury, so it's often about communication coming in from the universe to everybody to help us start off the new year. And if we've been doing the work, this is you, collective, you've done the work in December, and you are awaiting the gains of this full moon, what it's going to bring. Now for your karmics, it means a lot of stress and anxiety because they didn't do the work. All right. Yeah, magician, Gemini energy. That's in the challenge position. So collective, I think somebody has done some work on you and are awaiting the results. But I'm picking up that they are already receiving information that whatever witchy work they did is not going to pay off for their benefit. And for you, this is confirmation that you're well protected and you did the work. And I'm hearing you did the work to protect yourself against, I think you intuitively picked up that you would be attacked or be the target for a lot of people's mental communication. So this could be, wishing on your downfall, or wishing for maybe the relationship to come together. That Queen of Cups that came out, there might be a love interest that is quite confused. Two of Pentacles, change, Capricorn energy. And Eight of Swords. I think the work that your karmics have done has put them in a mental, spiritual prison. And with this Two of Pentacles, which stands for work, adaptability, and change in the material world, they have may have manifested an actual jail time or prison sentence. See how this person is blindfolded, surrounded by these swords. This is Gemini energy. So lots of confirmation so far that this Gemini full moon is bringing a lot of people, a lot of information. And for those witches out there who have done you dirty or are doing dirty, without being upfront about it, they will reap what they have sown with this Two of Pentacles, which is a mental block, mental prison, or actual jail time. Oh, I pulled two here. Which one first? Okay. Eight of Wands. So we go Eight of Swords to Eight of Wands. This is communication. This is Sagittarius energy. This is Venus in Sagittarius. Ninth house. This is Jupiter expanding the energy of the Gemini full moon. It's going to be a doozy, collective, for your karmics. So we got 8-8. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 8-8. And then Six of Wands. This is success. This is Leo energy. This is you, collective. Having done the work, having prepared for this Gemini full moon, wolf moon, the first full moon of the new year. Let's find out, Spirit, where the collective where they're rooted right now, having done the work, what's going to come. Three of Pentacles. We start out with the Three of Wands. This is Capricorn energy. We have the Two of the Pentacles out there on the table, and Ace of Wands. So this Three of Pentacles, Capricorn energy, you have collective manifested a new passionate start, maybe in business, in relationships, in love. Look at all these beautiful roses. And in the Three of Pentacles, we got the amethysts at her feet. She's bathed in gorgeous purple hue. 3 is a very powerful number. It's the first number of manifestation. 3, 6, and 9 are creative energies. And again, because we start out with the Three of Wands, with this Magician Gemini energy in the challenge position, I'm clearly seeing that the witch energy on the negative, your karmics, have put them in this spiritual prison because of the communication and the energy that you put out with this Eight of Wands. You've manifested Six of Wands, a success in the work that you've done, and the universe is giving you the Ace of Wands. And the Nine of Wands, which would be the wounded healer, is not out there. Queen of Wands. So yeah, more energy collective that you've manifested for this full moon. Oof. Drink lots of water. Definitely meditate during this start today, and continue your meditations, your grounding. We're here with this Two of Pentacles as we move through the energies of this wolf full moon in the sign of Gemini. A lot of people, not only your karmics, but friends, loved ones, strangers that you meet out there. Full moons always are just very, very, very powerful. We all know that police reports and incidents and fights, and because the full moon is in Gemini, there's going to be a lot of communication that's going to come out, especially of these karmics who are caught in these Eight of Swords energy. All right. Going to get 3 cards of action, of advice for the collective. Oh, this one's peeking out. Introspection. Virgo energy. Virgo is ruled by Mercury. Mercury rules Gemini. So for you, collective, because you've done the work, you're incredibly powerful in being able to process the communications that you're receiving at this time. And it's you got Eight of Swords for the karmics, but here you are, major arcana. It says minor arcana. This is happening right now for your karmics. And this is also you too, having the strength to do this kind of work, to put yourself in the Eight of Swords energy, to do the introspective. It's popped you out into 9 major arcana of the Hermit. Again, ruled by Mercury. Mercury rules Gemini. So this is in your recent past or is current. Second card, and then a third. Again, the number 3. The third house of our zodiac is Gemini. Third house is all about the witch or the magician card. Which one? Okay, all right. Oh, we got two. Excellent. Boom, boom, boom.
I didn't get that.
Queen
Could
of
you try again?
Queen of Cups. No thanks, Siri. Queen of Cups energy. We saw this on the split. So this is you, highly intuitive. After coming out of this introspective hermit energy into the Five of Cups, scorpionic energy. This Five of Cups card in this deck is, I have to say, quite beautiful. There's a lot of yellow, which would indicate solar plexus chakra energy. Second message, Queen of Cups and the Five of Cups are your karmics. It's this witch energy, this Eight of Swords energy, where you've come out in a major arcana, very, very, very powerful. Your karmics are in the Queen of Cups, all in their emotion, and all in their ego with this Five of Cups, scorpionic. So both water energies. But as I said, at this time, and always really, the cards, the spread are you, collective, and it's also the mirror image or mirror energy of your karmics, people that you're in conflict with. So, the introspective of hermit energy has brought you a lot of strength, nurturing, intuitive strength, and a lot of abundance in your emotional, egoic self. Because 5 is a number of the ego. It's both arms, both legs, and the head. Ego, thought, and the thoughts trigger emotions, emotions trigger thoughts. So for you, collective, because you've done the very powerful introspective work and have come out successful, there's a lot of abundance. There's a lot of healthy solar plexus energy that has come out from your sacral. Because in your root chakra, with this Two of Pentacles, you've done the work to balance out your root chakra, which is all about safety, security. It's where fear and anxiety reside. Moved into your sacral chakra with the Queen of Cups, and right into a very healthy solar plexus chakra. But it's going to be the opposite for your karmics. Bottom of the deck, High Priestess. Can't make this up. This is you, collective. This is Neptune, Piscean, moon energy. The High Priestess receives downloads. So the message I'm receiving is, during this full moon, do a lot of meditation, drink lots of water. Continue your prayers. Send out good vibes, even to your karmics. This will protect you during this time. But as a whole, the universe is going to be sending a lot of messages to your karmics and to the world, so that as these people are in their Eight of Swords, they're going to be able to see the light that's emanating from this full moon. And hopefully they will take that energy and spark and build. And with the Three of Pentacles, work with that energy. Work with their higher self, Five of Cups, and their ego. And create a new passionate beginning. Moving away, I'm hearing, from you and their obsession with you. It's unhealthy. You may be looked up to by your karmics. You may be envied and hated. What's to come? More messages, Spirit. But you're sitting pretty and strong, so long as you maintain, okay, thank you. So long as you maintain staying grounded with this Two and this Three of Pentacles, trusting that with this Three of Wands energy, that the work that you put in is going to bring you success. It's going to bring you, with the Eight of Wands, success. Six of Swords energy. Next message is Six of Swords and this King of Pentacles. There could be an earth sign, masculine, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo energy that with the Six of Swords, which is Aquarius energy, North Node is still in Taurus. So the message is, because you've done the work, you've used the energy of the universe and of the moon cycles. You've done the shadow work. And you've played by the rules that North Node in Taurus requires us. It's about structure. Aquarius is ruled by Saturn and Uranus. Saturn also rules Capricorn. Capricorn 2 and 3. Yeah, you've played by the rules. You know, with that Taurian earth energy, how to ground yourself. And again, play by the rules that the universe is organized with. And to stray away from that in any way, to be witchy, is not the way to go for your karmics. And they will, if they haven't already, started to figure this out, because they're in Eight of Swords energy. All right. Any other messages? Wow, okay. Ace of Swords and Seven of Swords. More Aquarius energy with the Seven of Swords. Ace of Swords is my Archangel Michael card. This is truth, clarity, justice, and confirmation that the message and that the work that you've done with the Seven of Swords, which is Aquarius, moon in Aquarius energy. So again, we have Eight of Swords, confirmation that any deceptive energy, swords energy, air energy, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy that has been worked up by this magician Gemini energy of your karmics, it has met truth, justice, and the universe, and specifically Archangel Michael. This is also you working, again, alone, disarming your karmics, stealing or away any sort of weaponry that they use. And although this does total 8 swords, it's separated by 7. 7 and 11 are numbers of heaven, I always say. So this energy that you've put out, you've moved in silence, you've remained in communication with your spirit guides and ancestors and your higher self to do this work, and you've manifested with the help of Archangel Michael 8 of Swords, but they're not 8 of Swords. They haven't trapped you, in other words. So this is you, collective, having utilized 7 of Swords energy in a healthy way, where often by your karmics, it's something quite different. No, it's all right. All right. Ace of Cups on the bottom of the deck. I think we're going to end the reading here, not because I was interrupted, but maybe that's a confirmation, a synchronicity that you can use. Ace of Cups, this is a new start. This new or first full moon, wolf moon in Gemini. You've manifested a new start in life for the new year. This is lovely. And you've got the Lover's card, more Gemini energy. Here in this deck, it's called the Wayfarer. So you are setting out, having done that work of communicating with your higher self, your spirit guides, your ancestors, Archangel Michael, and you got the Hangman, major arcana, back to back. Ace of Cups, the Lovers, and the Hangman. More, Hangman is Piscean energy, so more water. It's the last house of the zodiac, Pisces. And then you've got 10 of Wands, Sagittarius energy, very spiritual energy. And here I don't feel. Look at these wands are just pure white light. She's in purple in this garden with the roses. Again, Ace of Cups energy. You've manifested a fresh new start that I think is going to take you away. The Wayfarer card is also self-love, Gemini energy. The Lover's card, it's marrying the masculine and feminine within yourself to generate self-love. And you've done that and you've gotten a lot of enlightenment here with the Hanged Man in meditation. Look at all that yellow, also in a garden with Neptune or maybe Uranus in the background. This is lovely. Keep up the good work. And if you like this reading, please give me a like, share. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel or follow. And I will see you in the next reading. Take care.